Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to make a video on the weekend of my screen setup. You can see we have the dome here, which I am trading real money off of from now on. I am up on the day trading account, I think $30, and on the swing trading account about 800. So we're up since we started trading real money. But so this is the dome. I just wanted to, go through everything that I have. I'm trading 4 contracts. The euro dollar, which is 6E. Gold, which is GC. Oil, which is CL. And the Russell 2000, which is TF. I'm trading the faster contracts now, just because I don't like sitting in the E-mini S&P trades and letting it, just bounce around and wait for 2 hours before we have a breakout, initiate breakout, or a reaction from a responsive trade. And I just feel that oil, gold, and the euro kind of react quicker. This is a market profile chart, which I'm pretty sure you all know. In this one, I will be merging profiles because you want to be taking trades on the bigger picture with stops on the smaller picture. So we have the high volume node, the low volume up here, and the low volume down here, which are areas you can make trades off of. You can see we had low volume here also. I also have a 1-minute bar chart, which is right over here. Sometimes you could see the auction market principles better on a bar chart than on a market profile, so the bar chart is as important. You want to be making the trades at the extremes, so here and here. Either you're going to get short or long here, or long or short here. If you're getting long on a breakout, your stop is either in the middle at the high volume or at the other end. If you are taking the responsive trade, your stop is at a key reference area from previous data, which I can't show. Let's bring in the 24-hour profile. Sorry, the dome went away because I clicked this program. This is showing the day session as well as the 24 hours. So this is the day, this is the 24-hour. With the volume profile, value area is green, point of control is red. I just use this for more support and resistance areas and more information. We have a 120-minute chart just to show the direction of the market we are watching. And on the other screens we have 2 other charts, which are bar charts, and this 30-minute profile for shorter term support and resistance. You guys know what a bar chart looks like. I don't have to bring that around. And you can see at the bottom here where we have these red, orange, yellow, green, and blue and purple tabs. These allow me to switch from contract to contract very quickly. So oil, you're looking at oil right now. Let's switch to the Russell. Now you can see this composite profile here. Now we could switch to gold right away, the euro right away, and you could see every other chart on the same screen. Then I have these other 2 ones, which are my dashboards. This dashboard shows 4 5-minute charts of all of them, so I could be watching all 4 of them at the same time. And on my other screen I have 4 charts, so they're all daily charts. And my last dashboard are the profile dashboards, which allows me to check all the profiles of each instrument on one screen. So you can see this is oil CL here. This is gold GC. This is the euro 6E, and this is the Russell TF. And I also, on the other screen, the dashboards are only 2 screens, by the way, but on the other screen I have composite profiles, so they're all attached together, kind of like, let's look at the Russell, this composite, but many of them. And I can show you a trade came through Friday on the euro. You can see right here the euro had a pretty nice up move in the morning, and we tested this high volume right over here. How we would go through it is we look at the bar chart and we wait at these key reference areas, which we just touched on the bar chart right here. We wait for it to form balance, which it did. We are obviously going the short side because we had unemployment report, and we usually retrace most of it by the next in the next few hours. So obviously it's extended run. So we are either going to take the short off of here, have our stop right above highs around here, or we're going to take the short right here and take it and have our stop here. And you could see how textbook that trade would have worked out. This is like a perfect trade, really. You could be adding at these high volume nodes and then moving your stop down to here, another balance area, move our stop here, add at a break here. That's not really balance, so then we make balance here, add at a break if it does break, and have our stop here. And really, you should, if this trade, if you took this trade correctly, you would have been stopped out here, or possibly in and around this area. So think about it. You shorted it in and around this area. Here, let's bring it over. And you covered it in and around here. That's a very nice trade. And Micro Profile will give you the ability to hold on until the trade is invalidated, because you will continue to be in a profile trade until, in an auction market principal trade, until the market invalidates the trade. So you'll always be long until the market says short. So that's the idea of auction market principles. So I just wanted to make a little educational video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be trading tomorrow, Monday.